Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of poultry farming with a product that's making waves in the industry. Introducing the best chicken leg band available, the Tenalleys 100 PCS Chicken Identification Band. If you're a poultry farmer looking for a reliable and efficient way to identify your birds, you're in for a treat. These leg bands are not just your average poultry accessory. They're crafted with premium materials, ensuring durability and safety for your feathered friends. Made of smooth plastic with anti-freeze and heat-resistant properties, these bands are built to withstand the rigors of farm life. One of the standout features of these leg bands is their ease of use. With no need for tools, you can quickly and effortlessly clip them onto your bird's legs. Plus, they come in a variety of vibrant colors, making it a breeze to distinguish between different birds in your flock. Whether you're managing chickens, ducks, geese, or other poultry, these leg bands are a game changer for keeping track of your flock. And with 100 pieces included in each pack, you'll have plenty to go around. But what sets these leg bands apart from the competition? It's not just their quality and ease of use, it's the peace of mind they provide. With Tenalleys, you can rest assured knowing that your birds are properly identified, helping you to better manage your farm and ensure the health and safety of your animals. So there you have it, folks. The Tenalleys 100 PCS Chicken Identification Band is truly the best chicken leg band on the market. If you're ready to take your poultry farming game to the next level, be sure to check them out. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy farming!